let's be honest, finances can be a total drag. You work hard, bring in the dough, but somehow, by the end of the month, your bank account looks like a post-apocalyptic wasteland. Groceries? Rent? Forget that fancy new gadget you saw online, you're barely scraping by. Sound familiar? If you're tired of the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and finally want to take control of your finances, then you've probably stumbled upon the magical world of budgeting apps. And let's face it, in the land of budgeting apps, YNAB, you need a budget, reigns supreme. It's got a cult following, rave reviews, and promises to transform your relationship with money forever. But here's the burning question you might have before diving in. How much does this budgeting magic cost? That's exactly what we'll be tackling today. But before we get down to the nitty-gritty of pricing, let's explore what YNAB actually is and why it might just be the financial game-changer you've been searching for. YNAB, more than just a budgeting app. Think of YNAB as your budgeting Yoda. It doesn't just track your income and expenses, it teaches you a whole new way of thinking about money. Here's the gist. It's envelope budgeting on steroids. Remember the old school method of dividing your paycheck into envelopes for different categories? YNAB takes that concept and injects it with digital magic. You assign incoming money to specific spending categories, giving every dollar a job before it even hits your account. It's all about your goals, forget rigid monthly budgets. YNAB is all about setting and achieving your financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a dream vacation, or finally securing that emergency fund. It's forward-thinking. YNAB ditches the traditional track what you spent approach. Here, you allocate money for upcoming expenses, giving you a clear picture of where you stand financially. Now, this proactive approach might sound a little daunting at first. But trust me, YNAB does a fantastic job of holding your hand through the process with its intuitive interface and a treasure trove of educational resources. Okay, enough hype. How much does it cost? All right, I know you're itching to know the price tag. Here's the deal. YNAB doesn't offer a free version. Unlike some other budgeting apps, YNAB doesn't have a free tier. They believe their system is valuable enough to warrant a subscription. Subscription options, you have two choices. Monthly, this will set you back at $11.99 per month. Yearly, this is the more cost-effective option, priced at $84 for the entire year. That breaks down to roughly $7 per month, saving you some dough in the long run. Is it worth the price? Here's the verdict. Here's the thing, the cost of YNAB is subjective. If you're someone who struggles with budgeting or feels constantly overwhelmed by your finances, then YNAB can be a total lifesaver. The financial knowledge and control you gain can be worth far more than the subscription fee. Think of it like this, how much are you wasting right now because you don't have a solid handle on your money? A latte here, an impulse buy there, those small expenses can quickly add up. YNAB can help you eliminate that financial leakage and put your money towards the things that truly matter. But it's not for everyone. However, if you're already a budgeting pro with a system that works for you, then YNAB might be a bit overkill. There are plenty of free budgeting apps out there that can track your income and expenses. The key takeaway? YNAB isn't just about budgeting, it's about changing your financial mindset. If you're ready to take control of your money and build a secure financial future, then the cost of YNAB might be a small price to pay for big results. The final word. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not YNAB is worth it is up to you. But with its unique approach and commitment to financial education, it can be a powerful tool to transform your relationship with money. So, will YNAB be your budgeting Jedi Master? Why not take advantage of their free 34-day trial and see for yourself? With that said, thanks for watching.